Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm gonna show you the slow strobe effect tutorial in CapCut. So of course what you need to do is add a video of you walking like this and then split the video about a halfway. Okay, like this, and then after that go to the video effects, opening and closing, and select the halo blur. Okay, this one's right here. Then fit it to the first clip, then go to video effects again, still on the opening and closing, find the fade out effect. Okay, this one's right here. Then also set it for the first clip only, and after that go to the second clips and go to video effects, and then here go to the nightclub and find the strobe effect. Okay, this one, click on a check icon and then adjust the effect fit the second clip. Okay, and then click on a second clip, go to speed normal and lower the speed into 0.3. Click on the make it smoother and go with the better quality. Click on a check icon and now wait for the smooth slow-mo to be applied to the clips. Okay, so after the smooth slow-mo being applied, you're basically done. Then you'll see this slow strobe effect for your video. Okay guys, so that's all for me. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and also click on the thanks below. I'll see you all on the next tutorial. Bye.